Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to make the zoom transition in PowerPoint. First, go to PowerPoint and open your presentation. Now go to the Transitions tab and here look for the zoom transition and click on it. And now you can here you can select zoom in or zoom out in the effect options, or even zoom and rotate. Let's select zoom in, and here you can add a sound and change the duration. Let's change it to 1 second for example. And here, click on apply to all to apply the transition to all slides. Now go to slideshow and click on from beginning to start the presentation from the beginning. And here is the zoom transition. Let's try to zoom out and click on apply to all. And now let's go to the slideshow from beginning. And that's it. Now you know how to make the zoom transition in PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.